Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing tips for mastering Chat GPT for SEO content. As you know, Chat GPT is a powerful tool that can help you create compelling content that ranks well in search engines. However, there are certain things you need to keep in mind while using it to create SEO-friendly content. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Tip 1. Understand your audience. Before you start creating content, it's important to understand your audience. Who are they? What are their pain points? What are they looking for? Once you have a good understanding of your audience, you can use Chat GPT to create content that resonates with them. This will not only help you rank well in search engines but also ensure that your audience finds your content valuable. Tip 2. Use keywords. Keywords are an essential part of SEO. They help search engines understand what your content is about and rank it accordingly. While using Chat GPT, make sure to include relevant keywords in your content. However, don't stuff your content with too many keywords as it can hurt your rankings. Tip 3. Optimize your headings and subheadings. Headings and subheadings not only make your content more readable but also help search engines understand the structure of your content. Use Chat GPT to create headings and subheadings that are clear, concise, and relevant to your content. Also, make sure to include your primary keyword in your headings and subheadings. Tip 4. Create engaging content. Engaging content is key to keeping your audience on your website and reducing bounce rates. Use Chat GPT to create content that is not only informative but also engaging. Use storytelling, examples, and anecdotes to make your content more relatable and interesting. Tip 5. Optimize your meta descriptions. Meta descriptions are short snippets that appear on search engine results pages. They provide a brief summary of what your content is about. Use Chat GPT to create meta descriptions that are relevant, informative, and compelling. Make sure to include your primary keyword in your meta description. So there you have it, folks. These were some tips for mastering Chat GPT for SEO content. Remember, creating SEO-friendly content is not rocket science. With the right tools and techniques, you can create content that ranks well in search engines and provides value to your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more such videos.